What are some unseen forces that are driving crypto prices right now? Okay. So, one of them are going to be these patterns that I've been pointing out to you guys, especially if you guys have been following my channel and my videos. You guys should know that this is nothing new. I'm talking about reversal patterns, especially some of these altcoins that have been beaten down for the past over a year or so. Okay. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Near Protocol and see what's happening with this coin, and of course, what are some of the patterns that no one really talks about, right? But they're very simple and effective, especially if you train your eyes to see them. Uh, Now, I've been talking about this pattern over and over again. It is the falling wedge pattern, and in this case, it's going to be on the 12-hour time frame for Near Protocol, and it has broken out of this pattern, right? It usually tells you after an extensive downtrend on that time frame that it's likely to break to the upside. It did back in March. Okay, so it's been some time. Since the breakout here is still a valid breakout because the price action is still above this upward trend line. Price target for this breakout here is about $6.35. Now, price targets are estimates only. There could be more and there could be less, and a lot of it's going to depend on another major force that probably not a lot of people talk about, which is Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is still the driver of this market, even though it is losing its dominance as this bull cycle has gotten started since it has broken through that 110K all-time high just about 2 weeks ago. Um, but Bitcoin dumps could still affect the altcoins, okay? And if Bitcoin has more room to run on the upside, that's also good for the altcoins. But what I'm seeing here is that Near Protocol broke out of this huge falling wedge pattern. Hasn't done much for a little while, but it has started surging since it hit that bottom of about $1.90 here. Okay, and this is still on the 12-hour time frame. Now, what could Near Protocol be doing on a shorter time frame here? Let's see if this will continue towards that bigger target of about $6, $6.35 there. So this is the 4-hour time frame where it looks like it is a double bottom pattern. Okay, it doesn't have to be exact on the bottoms, but I do see a double bottom pattern here with bullish divergence. Now, price target for the smaller pattern here would be about the measurement would be from the top to the bottom of the pattern, and then you put that measurement back on top of the pattern. That will give you about $3 for Near Protocol. So not a very big target, but you got to remember that this is also a bigger altcoin here. This is ranking 100 and above, okay, or 1 to 100. Those are bigger altcoins. They're not going to be moving as crazily as some of these smaller altcoins with smaller market caps. But I do think that there's a time and place to trade bigger altcoins or smaller altcoins. Okay, and I do think uh, right now we are in a, at least after this FOMC meeting, that it is more time and place to trade smaller altcoins, especially if Bitcoin does not dump, right? But these are just my opinions and not financial advice. Okay, gotta do your own research. So this is basically what I'm seeing for Near Protocol. Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing more of this coin by dropping a like, comment, subscribe, or let me know if you guys want to see any other coins. I'll pick a request to do for you guys on a daily basis. I'll see you on the next one.